If you've ever encountered the offline media error caused by 10-bit H.265 HEVC footage in DaVinci Resolve 21 or even older versions, and you want to fix it instantly, you've come to the right video. Sometimes tutorials are way too long, don't clearly explain the problem, and still don't give you a 100% working solution. Many people recommend using HandBrake app, but all it really does is duplicate your files, taking up twice the storage space. On top of that, you waste time waiting for the footage to be re-encoded, and you may even lose video quality. Have you tried buying the HEVC Video Extensions from the Microsoft Store for 99 cents, only to find out it still didn't fix the problem? I did exactly the same thing, and it didn't work for me either. The problem with Microsoft's HEVC codec is that it isn't always updated in time, and it's not fully compatible with DaVinci Resolve. That's why even after installing it, the offline media error can still appear with certain 10-bit H.265 HEVC video files. And we must pay for it also. Other tutorials tell you to relink your media source, but that doesn't solve the issue either, because the real problem is the 10-bit H.265 HEVC codec. If you've already tried all of these solutions and nothing worked, don't worry, we're going to fix it together in less than 2 minutes. Before we fix it, let me show you the problem. I recently bought a DJI drone and started filming in D-Log-M. As you probably know, D-Log-M footage looks amazing once you color grade it in DaVinci Resolve. I had just come back from a trip to Switzerland, where I captured some incredible shots in the Alps. But as soon as I imported the footage into DaVinci Resolve, I was greeted with the dreaded offline media error. I spent hours searching for a solution. At one point, I even convinced myself that I would have to buy the studio version of DaVinci Resolve or use HandBrake to convert all my footage. But today, I finally found the solution, and just like that, the offline media error disappeared. You only need to follow 2 simple steps. Watch carefully and follow along. Step 1. Click the Start button and open Settings. Then go to Windows Update, and from there, open Update History. Windows updates are usually helpful, but sometimes they can break compatibility with certain applications, like DaVinci Resolve in our case. Think back to when this issue first appeared and uninstall the Windows updates that were installed around that time. In my case, the problem started recently, so I'm simply uninstalling the latest update.
Before we move to step 2, if this video helps you fix the problem, don't forget to leave me a like and comment below to let me know if it worked for you. It really helps the YouTube algorithm recommend this video to other people dealing with the same issue. Thank you.
Now let's move on to step 2, the most important one. The only H.265 HEVC codec that works properly with DaVinci Resolve can be downloaded from the website I'm linking in the description below. This codec is regularly updated, so download the latest version and install it. If you're prompted overwrite the existing codec, then restart your computer. Once your PC has restarted, let's open DaVinci Resolve again and try importing the same video files one more time.